Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add Jupiter on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up your app, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Just simply tap on this icon. Once you click on it, now tap search bar and search for Jupiter. Once you search for it, now enable this icon. To add Jupiter on your Trust Wallet, just toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your home page. Scroll down and click on Jupiter. Once you click on it, now hit the receive button. When you hit the receive button, you will be provided with unique QR code and wallet address. With the help of this wallet address, you will be able to receive Jupiter through different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Jupiter to your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.